To show you how it works, I have a basic lower third graphic here, as you can see in the screen. And to start with, I'm going to go to my all scenes. I'm going to create different output profiles. By default, you will get a default output profile, which will have all the graphics. And I'm going to create one graphic profile called English. In that, I'm going to give a tag which will hold all my graphic elements, whatever I want to be available and visible on this graphic output. I'm going to create a tag called in. Now I'm going to create a second output profile, which is my Chinese. And I'm going to create a new tag called ch. We have two outputs with two different tags are configured with these outputs. Now let me go back to my scene. So here you can see there is a main text and another text which is below is called sub. And we have a like a background. So first of all, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create duplicates of the text, main and sub. And one will be for English, the other one will be for Chinese, for example. So I have some data coming in as a JSON. You can see here. I'm going to bind my data here. So this is my English, subtext English, and I'm going to do the same for my Chinese language as well. So here you can clearly see the data is already in place. You can also have manual data entry, or you can use data connectors to bring the data in. Now what we are going to do is now assign these graphic elements to my tags. So English is going to be available in my English. Just select it. Main text Chinese, I'm going to have it in Chinese. I'm going to do the same for my subtext as well. Done. And the layout background graphic which we need on both the graphics output, so I'm going to enable on both of the profiles. Even if you want to use different colored backgrounds, you can also do that as well in different output profiles. Let me publish. Published. I'm going to open my rundown. Quickly update. Here I have a playlist and I'm going to add my lower third overlay here. I already have it. Here, if I go to my top right corner, you can see there are output profiles. Here you can click on English, which will open your English output, the same for Chinese as well. Now let me minimize this. I have both the outputs already open. So if I go to my end of this line, you can see profile equal to Chinese. And this one I have profile equal to English. So now, once I have the graphics played out, you can see here I have the same graphic with the same background, which brings two different languages of data. So this is how you can able to assign different elements, graphic elements, assets to different output profiles, or to create in Viz Flowics.